Hi, in front of me is VIVO IQOO U5X, and today I would like to show you how you can manage adaptive brightness. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now click on this A icon next to brightness slider. And if it's blue, that means that auto brightness is enabled. But you can always disable it by tapping on the same one again. You can also go into settings instead. Tap on display and brightness. And click on this switcher next to adaptive brightness feature to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!